Salt Lake is obviously city, more populated, more diverse and things like that. But almost everywhere in Utah, it's very white. And I am not white by my appearance, even though I'm half white. I'm not white by my appearance. So I stand out on a sheet full of people who are just white, blonde, dirty brown, whatever. I stand out. So when people are going through, it's like, oh, boom, catch the eye. Even if I'm not what they're looking for, I'm another flash of this thing. I don't know if you know this in marketing, but they say, by now it's like you have to see something in an advertisement like 7 or 15 times or 30 times, whatever the number is. It's a bunch of times before it really registers and you take notice of it. So if I'm a face that pops out every time somebody's scrolling that agency site, even if I'm not who they're booking right now, they're going to come back and be booking and booking and booking, and by their 7, 15, 30th time booking a job, they see me, and it's going to be more ingrained, so that when a job comes up I fit for, I'm at more of the forefront of their brain than all those other faces that look the same on that roster. Very important. Make sure you recognize that.